Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Vadgura. Today we are going to present comparison between EV and IC engine with my group members as following: Nachiket Devre, Yogita Zugre, Gaurav Raite, Jiten Shardul. Under the guidance of the Bhavsar sir, I request you to Gaurav, please start our presentation.
Question. Now I am going to explain IC engine vehicle and electric vehicle. When we talk about IC engine vehicle, an internal combustion engine is the heat engine in which the combustion of fuel occurs with an oxidizer. In a combustion chamber, that is an integral part of the working fluid flow circuit. Now see the electric vehicle. When we talk about electric vehicle, is the one of electric motor instead the internal combustion engine that generate power by burning a mix of fuel and gases. When we talk about IC engine vehicle example, so let's see, it contains Swift, Lamborghini, or there are many vehicles. When you talk of electric vehicle example, that contain Tesla, Tata Nexon, etc. So let see the comparison between components of IC engine vehicles and electric vehicles. When we talk about IC engine vehicle, IC engine vehicle contain the chassis that contain gearbox, propeller shaft, axle, control systems such as brakes, steering, and suspension system of vehicle. And it also contains the engine, the transmission system, and the body. When we talk about electric vehicle components, it contains electric motor, reducer, battery, charger, converter, and control unit. Over
So
to
thank you
Vaishnavi.
Gaurav for your words. So here is the major topic which is environmental burden due to electric vehicle. The account fair share of pollution and environmental impacts rely on the power grid for energy source around 54% of American power. It is generated by coal. The coal is the single biggest polluter in us cause toxic air. The environmental impact of the batteries. In the life cycle experiment, around 15% of an electric car's environmental burden comes from the lithium ion batteries. The mining raw materials, manufacturing the process, disposal of the acids. The next one is the environmental burden due to the IC engine. The direct effect is smog, dirty air, acid rain, health problems, responsible for 20% of the greenhouse gas emission. And the emitting carbon dioxide into the environmental increases the global mean surface warming. About 20% of all CO2 emissions originate from the road traffic. So thank you. I will over to you, Jiten. Please.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Now I am going to explain about difference between new look of electrical vehicles and IC engine vehicles. Electrical vehicles also look different than traditional vehicles. So here are few reasons of that. First, electrical vehicles don't need an exhaust because they don't emit any tailpipe emissions. Second, designers go to great lengths to maximize the vehicle's energy efficiency. So electrical vehicles have a very aerodynamic exterior. Third, there is a huge push for more fuel efficient vehicles, and improved aerodynamics are an easy and cost efficient way to improve the fuel economy of any vehicle. Fourth, instead of a fuel filler, electrical vehicles have an outlet. The outlet is usually covered just like the opening of a fuel filler, but it is different look. Now let's see new driving techniques in IC engine vehicles and electrical vehicles. There are slight differences in the actual driving experience of an electrical vehicle versus a vehicle with an internal combustion engine. The driving differences aren't significantly different, but drivers tend to actually drive more energy efficiently when they have an electrical vehicle. Electrical vehicles have a one pedal driving system according to greencardepots.com. One pedal driving combines conventional acceleration using the right hand pedal with a much higher degree of deceleration than in a conventional car. That means that when a driver lifts off the pedal, the car slows down more quickly than internal combustion powered car would. Many electrical vehicles and plug-in hybrid electrical vehicles are available with tech systems that provide drivers with tips and guidance on how they can drive more efficiently and maintain battery life longer. The systems are not forceful or requirement to drive differently, just ways to improve the electrical vehicle experience. Now I am requesting to Nachiket to continue with his presentation.
Thank you, Jiten. Hello, myself Nachiket. Now, I am here for giving advantages and disadvantages for IC engine vehicle and electric vehicle. Now, let's see advantages. First, advantages of IC engine vehicle. Combustion engine lasts longer in terms of miles. Distance travel is more than the electric vehicle. Fast refueling and safe than the electric vehicle. Now, advantages for electric vehicle. Firstly, electric car requires less maintenance. Then, the engine is quieter. Third, electric car is very easy to assemble, recapturing waste energy, cheaper to run. These are some advantages of IC engine vehicle and electric vehicle. Now let's see disadvantage of both. Firstly, IC engine vehicle. Combustion engine cars, air pollution, the supply of petrol is decreasing and we will one day run out of it. Second one is because of high demand and decreasing supply, the price of petrol is increasing. Now let's see the disadvantage of electric vehicles. Firstly, speed limit. Third one, second one is less driving range. Third one is limited service facilities. Long time to recharge car batteries. And last is Reliance battery impact. Here, now I will hand over this presentation to Yogita for conclusion.
Thank you, Nachiket, for your kind words. Hello, myself Yogita Zungare. Let's see the conclusion. EVs are definitely more environmentally friendly than the internal combustion vehicles. Batteries are being engineered to have a long life. When the hybrid cars become more widespread battery, recycling will become economically possible. Here are some references. Well, I end here our presentation. We would like to give special thanks to our triple E subject, Mr. Bhavsar sir, for giving such wonderful opportunity to present here. I would like to thanks to my dear friends for cooperating throughout this presentation. Thank you.